We can't blame you for not making money on TikTok with this strategy because you're not informed. This is what you're supposed to do. The first step is to come to your TikTok. When you come to your TikTok, you're going to press this arrow for this very video. Then you scroll until you find more. When you tap on more, you're now going to go to any browser. Go to any browser and then you search for Nestuge. Nestuge.com. After searching for nestuge.com, you're going to have this kind of website, right? You're going to come to this website. Then you can sign up and create an account for yourself. After signing up, you go to this other website, which is this landing page.com. When you come to taplink.com, this is how it looks like, right? No, taplink. Just search for taplink. After searching for taplink, this is what you're going to have. So you tap on this landing page and create a landing page for yourself. So after, when you go to Nestuge, you get the link for Nestuge, you bring it to your landing page, then you get the link for your landing page and take it to your TikTok and start making content. But if you're confused and you want to know step by step, you're going to tap on this profile. When you tap on this profile, you tap on the link in the bio so that you can be shown the step by step tutorial process.